All right, greetings everyone. Welcome to the third part of the video for section 4.4. Just one more type of problem we want to go over. So let's look at this one. So here we have 3 times 2 to the x equals 2 times 4 to the x. And we have to solve this somehow. Now, you see that there are variables in the exponents here, which may make us think that we're going to take some logs. But notice we can't really do that yet because there's these other numbers here, this 3 and this 2. So we have to find some other way to deal with this. And one thing we might try that we've done in a lot of different types of equations to get everything that has a variable to one side of the equation, everything that doesn't to the other side. So let's look at what that might look like. So let's say we're going to move everything that does not have a variable to the left. Well, we could divide by 2 on the right, since that 2 is being multiplied by the 4 to the x. Those will cancel. So then on the left there, we'll have 3 times 2 to the x over 2 equals 4 to the x. And then we could divide on the left by 2 to the x and do the same thing on the right. So the 2 to the x is here cancel. And now our equation becomes 3 halves equals 4 to the x over 2 to the x, which this 4 to the x over 2 to the x, we saw how to deal with that in our prereq material, right? So we can actually rewrite that. This will become 3 halves equals 4 to the x over 2 to the x would become 4 over 2 to the x, which the 4 over 2 just becomes 2 to the x. So what our problem has been simplified down to, then, is solving 3 over 2 equals 2 to the x. And we know how to do that. We could take the log of both sides. We do it on the right-hand side. That means we'll take the variable, move it out to the front. So this will become log of 3 halves equals x times log of 2. And then we can divide by log of 2 on both sides. So we find that x equals log of 3 halves divided by log of 2, which if we plug that in the calculator, we will get 0.585 as the value for x. Okay. All right, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.